Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can change the duration of the end signal in Siemens Induction Hob. So, turn on your device and within 10 seconds hold the keylog for 4 seconds. Then tap on the keylog again, and now we are in the basic settings mode. Then jump by the key button to the number 6. This is a duration of the end signal. The 1 means it's 10 seconds. The 2 means it's 30 seconds. And the 3 means the end of the signal of the timer. It's set to 1 minute. To apply the settings, just turn off your device. Thanks for watching and goodbye.